Assalamu alaikum students. The same topic of the last lecture is continued, that is planning. Under planning we have done up till the unsuccessful plan results into a failure of a firm. In an organization, planning is needed at all levels. All managers and supervisors are engaged in planning, including determination of objective, evaluation of internal and external environment, determination of action and alternative action. जैसे कि इससे पहले भी मैं बता चुकी हूँ कि प्लानिंग जो है वो हर लेवल के ऊपर ज़रूरी होती है और तमाम मैनेजर्स और सुपरवाइज़र जो है वो प्लानिंग में इंगेज होते हैं और उसके अलावा वो तमाम इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट्स को देखते रहते हैं जो कि आपकी जो है वो प्लानिंग को अफेक्ट करते हैं. सो अंडर प्लानिंग दिस वाज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लानिंग. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अंडर प्लानिंग इज टाइप्स ऑफ प्लानिंग. Next heading under planning is types of planning. Many types of planning activities occur within the pharmacy organization. The most common types include number 1 business planning, number 2 financial planning, number 3 operational planning, number 4 resource planning, organizational planning and strategic planning. The purpose of each type of planning is naturally different. Some of these types of planning activities have subtypes within them. For example, one type of source planning deals specifically with human resource. Another resource planning that has engaged increasing importance is information technology planning. This type of planning focuses specifically on the present and future information needs of an organization and the technologies and system to meet those needs. ठीक है, जिस तरह मैंने पहले बताया कई तरह की प्लानिंग होती है आपके पास, जिसमें जो सबसे कॉमन टाइप्स हैं बिजनेस प्लानिंग है, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग है, ऑपरेशनल प्लानिंग है, रिसोर्स प्लानिंग है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल प्लानिंग एंड स्ट्रेटजिक प्लानिंग. और नेचुरली हर प्लानिंग का पर्पस और टाइप जो है वो डिफरेंट होता है. Because of the importance of effective planning, many organizations invest time and resources in these efforts. Naturally, planning की क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है तो बाज़ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बल्कि बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो हैं वो इस पर बहुत इन्वेस्ट करती हैं अपना टाइम और अपने रिसोर्सेज. Ultimately, the chief executive officer or president of a company is responsible for making certain that the organization is successful. Ensuring that success is largely dependent on planning that occurs within the organization. However, in large companies, given the scope of planning's activities that must take place, much of the work involved in planning is delegated to a special department dedicated entirely to planning. The next is steps in planning. There are 8 steps in planning procedure. You can write it. Number 1, define or orient the planning process. Number 2, assess the current situation. Assess the current situation. Establish goals. Number 3. Fourth, identify strategies to reach these goals. Fifth, establish objectives that support progress towards goal. Sixth, define responsibilities and timelines for each objective. Seventh step, write and communicate the plan. And the 8th step, monitor progress towards meeting goals and objectives.